In this video, we are going to see that if you want to work smartly on Microsoft Word, you need to remember some very common shortkeys. So these ones are very basic shortkeys since we are just scratching the surface of Microsoft Word. So we are understanding all the basic functions. So shortcuts that you need to remember to work efficiently in Microsoft Word is, first of all, if you want to create the new document by default, you don't have to go in the file menu. Just imagine that you don't have mouse and you have to do all the work by keyboard. So I'll just press Ctrl N to create a new document, and you can see that immediately the blank document is inserted. Similarly, if I want to open an existing document, I'll press Ctrl O and it will take me to this location. And from here, I can use my keyboard shortcut to select the files. Now I am on the recent tab. If I want to go on this side without using mouse, I'll just press tab here and then I am on my other side. Here we can select this, and whenever I want to choose it from the bottom, let's press the tab again, and it changes the section actually by pressing the tab. And then you can use any of them and just open that document like this. And one other very important thing is whenever you want to save the document between your work, so that you make sure data is never lost. So you can just press Ctrl S whenever the work is done. So let's say I've worked something and then I can just press Ctrl S. Just make it your habit to press Ctrl S after a couple of minutes every time. All right, let's open this document, which I have shared with you. And now let's see if you want to navigate through the document. For example, I'm using keyboard shortkeys altogether. So if I have cursor right here blinking and I want to go directly at the bottom of this paragraph or at the end of this paragraph, what shortkeys should I use? So for that, shortkey will be Ctrl down. It will move to the second paragraph. Similarly, if I want to move to the top paragraph, I'll press Ctrl up and then the cursor will be moved upwards. Similarly, if you want to go one word after, just move the cursor to one word. I'll just hold the Ctrl key and press right arrow key. And as you can see, it is moving word by word. Similarly, if I want to go back, I can use the Ctrl left arrow key. And let's say if I want to move to the end of the document, I'll just press Ctrl end button on your keyboard shortcut. So it will move to the end of the document. And now if I want to move to the top of the document and just at the starting point, just press Ctrl home. And now we are at the starting point of the document. Similarly, if you want to move one page down, just use Ctrl page down. It will take you to the one page down or on the second page. And if you want to move up one page directly, you will press Ctrl page up. Now, for example, I want to highlight all of this line where my cursor is blinking, and it should end up to this point on the second line where my cursor is. So both of the lines should be highlighted according to the cursor placement. So in this case, I can use the shortcut. I'll just hold my shift key and just move or press down arrow key. So as you can see that it started the selection from where my cursor was blinking and it ended it on the next line exactly at the same point. So this is how you can use this. For example, my cursor is here now. I'll just hold the shift key and just press down. Similarly, if I want to highlight the upward position, so I'll just select, hold shift and just move upwards and just press upward key. Similarly, let's say I am on this point. My cursor is on this point, and from here to the starting of the paragraph, I want to select all of this. So what I'll do is just hold the shift key and then press home. Similarly, if I want to select the whole line, and let's say I am on this area, or let's say on this area right here, what I can do is just select this, and let's say I want to highlight this whole line. So it's very easy to do. I'll just press the shift key and press home. So what it will do in this line, it will go just to the starting point by selecting all of this, starting from the cursor placement. And then finally, the most important shortkey is if you want to select all the document, just press Ctrl A and it will select each and every single thing on the document. And then you can make your adjustments. Let's say if I want to delete this or, change the formatting style, I can do this as well. So these are some of the very important shortkeys if you want to use the Word efficiently. Just try it by yourself and I will see you in the next one.